Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this Johnson & Johnson all-purpose first aid kit. It features 160 pieces. A wide variety of stuff in here is included. It's red, it's plastic, it has a nice handle, it's really lightweight. Turn it around. You get the drug facts and information about everything included. You can pause to read it if you want. Here's the list on the side, the intended purpose for each thing in this box. It has an easy locking mechanism. And then you open it up. And here you go. Here's the inside of it. On the back of the inside lid, you have this first aid guide right here. Shows the intended use of each product in this box. You have the first aid fundamentals. A little booklet right here telling you how everything works in here. Very easy to read through and follow. And you have all of the stuff included right here. It's very well organized. Everything is separated. You got your neosporin, your bandages, your wipes, your gauze. Everything you possibly can need for first aid is right here. And there's even more underneath the tray. Try it out. This is very handy. There's a lot included.